CUAI, Conversational UX Design with AI. Conversational UX design with AI is like crafting a symphony of words and technology where every note must harmonize seamlessly to create a delightful user experience. It's about understanding the nuances of human language and behavior and translating that into a digital interface that feels natural and intuitive. Imagine a world where you can simply chat with your device, and it understands not just the words you say, but the context and emotions behind them. That's the power of conversational UX design with AI. It's about creating a virtual assistant that feels like a trusted friend, always ready to help and never judging. But designing such an experience is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of language processing, machine learning, and user psychology. Every word, every response, every interaction must be carefully crafted to guide the user seamlessly through their journey. Best practices of CUAI. Clarity and simplicity. Ensure the conversation is easy to understand and follow. Personalization. Tailor responses based on user data to create a more personalized experience. Error handling. Design for graceful handling of misunderstandings or errors in communication. Examples of CUAI. Chatbots, used on websites for customer support and inquiries. Voice assistants, devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant that perform tasks based on voice commands.
If you find this video inspiring, do not forget, like, share, and subscribe AIXPro.invideos.